Alright, day two. Normally I don't do 2 days in a row, but I want to get the rest of that wood up. That way I have all the stuff that I've bought. The wood up, and then the metal on the railing up in the front. And then I'll have the all the wood up, all the siding's up. Well, there's some extra siding, but and then I can kind of go through and make a list of all the stuff I need to order. And I kind of make a game plan for the next month or two. Alright, let's get started. Or I guess, me get started? I don't know. It's early. It's too early. Bye. 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 Only you can prevent forest fires and teenage pregnancies.